Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can add ChatGPT to Google search for instant answers. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Now do stick until the very end so that you don't miss a single detail. Now as you can see here in our ChatGPT website, this is what you would see. Everything is quite limited at the moment. But what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be searching for a Google Chrome extension. So provided that you are using Google Chrome as your browser, then you're able to continue with the tutorial. So let's go ahead and add an extension. So we're going to be looking for Chrome. :/extensions right here. This will allow us to see all of the extensions that are available. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going here in this Open Chrome Web Store. So let's go ahead and click on this. And we're going to be searching in the Chrome Store, Web Chat GPT right here. And then if you can't see it, then we need to click on this extensions right here. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then we should be able to see this Web Chat GPT extension. So let's go ahead and click on this. Let's go ahead and click add to Chrome right here. So this will download this extension. And then let's click add extension right here. Now once that has fully installed, as you can see here, that the Web ChatGPT extension has been installed. And if we go back to our ChatGPT, we have all of these additional things right here now available. So as you can see, we have allowed ChatGPT to have access to our web now. And if we click on this one-click prompts, we should get some more additional things in here as well. So you can just go ahead and search through all of this. You can search them via category, all of this, or you can search via use cases. Now if we go back into our Google search right here, and then let's search for something, say something like, what are the best marketing strategies for this one, for a startup business? So let's go ahead and click on this. So these are the results of Google. And as you can see, of course, you will get the sponsored ones right here. But if you go down right here, as you can see, Web ChatGPT has already given answers. So what it has done is actually taken a look at all of these links, searched through them, and then created its own answer. So it's able to basically search through all of the Google answers and then give it its own unique answer based on all of those. So you have an answer of the top 10 right here. And if you scroll down, you can also take a look at all of the sources where it came from. Now, it's not just for ChatGPT. As you can see here, we have all of the other language models that you can go ahead and use. So you can use Claude, you can use Bard, or you can use Bing Chat. Now go ahead and explore through all of this. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.